5 Best Meat Grinders. Here is the product number 5. TintonLife Electric Automatic Meat Grinder. Material: plastic. Voltage: 220 volts. Blade: stainless steel double blade. Color as show. Size: 65 x 36.5 56 cm. Feature: 1. Small and convenient, easy to use and operate. A large area of micro touch switch, just a button that lets you enjoy the fun of cooking. 2. It has powerful driving force, at the same time, emphasizes safety switches and a variety of security configuration of industrial design, let you use it more relieved. 3. Stainless steel double blade, environmental PVC non. Here is the product number 4. LUCOG 007 Autumn for Kitchen Multifunction. Material: food grade. Steel. Power: 250 watts. Voltage: 220 volts. Capacity: 2 liters. Blade: double stainless steel blade. Color as show. Size: 233 x 213 285 mm. Rotating speed: 18,000 to 22,000 revolutions per minute. Features: 1 common multi-purpose food chopper, meat, pork, fish, beef, fruit, apple, mango, vegetables, garlic, mushroom, pepper, salad. 2 sharp stainless steel blades, with 4 sharp reversible. Here is the product number 3. 600 ml Households Food Meat Grinder. Vegetables Food Meat Grinder. Material: ABS styrene, plus PC, polycarbonate, plus PP polypropylene plus stainless steel. Top diameter: approximately 77 mm / 3.03 inches. Bottom diameter: approximately 111 mm / 4.37 inches. Height: approximately 230 mm / 9.06 inches. Capacity: 600 milliliters. Speed: 12,000 revolutions per minute. Power: 250 watts. Voltage: 220 volts. Work time: up to 1 minute. Continuous work for 1. Here is the product number 2. LUCOG 900 ml Multifunction Food Processor. This LUCOG food processor chef and veggie chop hand-powered food chopper. It can chop large pieces of fruit, vegetables, boneless meats, herbs, nuts, and even ice by hand. With this handy chopper, it will be the best useful tool in your kitchen. 1. Chop large pieces of fruit, vegetables, boneless meats, herbs, nuts, and even ice by hand with this handy chopper. 2. Running without electricity. This hand-powered chopper is great for small kitchens, RVs, travel, and camping. 3. Simply place ingredients in the container, twist and lock the lid. Here is the product number 1. LUCOG Powerful Manual Food Chopper. Hand Power Food Chopper. 1. Item: under 2. Color: blue. 3. Weight: about 190 grams. 4. Capacity: about 330 ml. 5. Size: 125 mm 85 mm. 6. Material: stainless steel plus ABS plus PP plus PC. 7. Su 2, meat / vegetable / spice. Feature: 1. Multifunctional and powerful. This speedy manual food chopper will help you cut boneless meats, vegetables, fruits and nuts. Putting the food into the bowl and check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.